Okay, I am at the Miami Intercontinental, and this is room 2002 on the 20th floor. And it's a very nice room with a great view, especially for us cruisers. So first we can start with the closet area. And you can see there's plenty of hanging space. There's a very large safe. You have a nice iron, and I believe that's an extra blanket. Is it? Nope, that's not what that is. It's something to hold like a duvet or something. It's one of those little bags. Here is the thermostat. This is the room proper. This is 2 beds, a very nice TV set, and a good sized dresser. Let's see. Oh yes, nice deep drawers. Kind of interesting the way the facades are sort of canted 2 ways. Oh, and there is a full-length mirror there, as well as a bag on a luggage rack. And here we have the refrigerator, and it looks like it's good sized. Let's see. Oh, it's fully stocked, and it's one of those things where if you even so much as look at it cross-eyed, they will charge you. So that's good to know. I will be leaving those alone. We have a Keurig. We have a selection of things to put in the Keurig. We have things that cost money, snacks and such. A big bottle of water. He did say that we get 3 bottles of water free per day, so this is my free 3 bottles. And you can see there's quite a nice area to work as a desk. And of course there is this, you know, it's a fairly hard chair. It's not terribly comfortable. But what sells this room is the view of the cruise ships. So I was looking at it and noticing that we've got 7 different cruise ships here between them. We've got a Virgin there. We've got a Royal Caribbean. We have 2 different Carnival ships. And then I'm not sure what the ones further on are. I can't tell from here whether it is, I think it's like a Holland or a Norwegian or maybe a Celebrity. It's hard to say. But yeah, that's a lot of cruise ships in one port. And my ship doesn't leave until tomorrow. So I think the one there directly ahead of us with the water slide that you can see, that might be the Celebration. Because the other one that's a Carnival ship doesn't have one. And I know that they were doing some kind of a, it wasn't naming, it might have been naming ceremony today. That might be it. Oh, and if you want to look out the window, see to the side, there is, this is the sea walk, I guess, or the river walk. And right down here we have the Seafair yacht, I guess. And I may have to go and look later, but right now it's really drizzly, and it was pouring earlier and it was very windy. So anyway, this is the room. Let me show you the bathroom. Oh, and let's look at the power situation here. So what do we have here? You have 2 power outlets, US power, here by the bed. And then on this other side, there is this alarm clock thing, which is taking up one of the plugs, but you do have an option to use the other one, or to unplug it if you don't need the alarm. Okay, and then, oh, to close the blind, the sheer blackout here, this is the sheer blackout controls. And the end table has pretty shallow drawer and a big old cubby at the bottom. Oh, and let's see the power situation on the desk. Okay, here we have more traditional power in this lamp. So let's look at the bathroom. And this is a huge bathroom. Look at this. So lots of grab bars. I'm not sure if this is normally used as a handicap. No, because they wouldn't have a tub. So, you know, they'd have a wheel-in shower or something. And we've got a nice little array of products, towels, slippers, you know, things like that. Shaving mirror is nice. Decent power here under the mirror. And then, of course, the toilet area. So yeah, this is a very nice room. This will do very well. Not sure if I've stayed here before, but I think I'll enjoy it. And one last look at the pretty room. In case you are interested in the pricing on the minibar in-room menu, I thought I would include that here for you to peruse. Solo Sue signing off.